Okay, everybody, I've made a few videos about this project that I'm working on. I haven't had a whole lot of shots of the tractor in action. I'm going to try to change that as this project moves forward. Just picked up my box blade yesterday. Don't really know how to use a box blade. I have a basic understanding of how to use it. But I've got a little bit of a gravel area that I'm going to increase in size, so I'm looking forward to utilizing that. And today I just received my BXpanded attachments. I bought the quick connector, quick bucket connector for the backhoe, a trenching bucket, which is very narrow, and a adjustable thumb. Oh, and the root ripper. Let's check this out. I've cut the tape off the boxes, but I have not looked. Oh boy. Oh yeah. I don't know that they call it a root ripper. I call it a root ripper. I think they just call it a ripper, or maybe a barracuda ripper or something. Wow. Yeah, I like it. Quick bucket connector. A couple extra pins. Okay. Trenching bucket. Set the phone down. Sweet. And the thumb attachment. That's what I'm talking about. Well, with this being Memorial Day weekend, Friday afternoon, got a couple of days to play with my new toys, and I'm looking forward to it. I'll try to shoot some installation video. I don't know. Maybe just I'll get it on there and let her rip. Stay tuned.